Kindness to animals. Little children never give pain to things that feel and live. Let the gentle robin come for the crumbs you save at home. As his meat you throw along, he'll repay you with a song. Never hurt the timid hare, peeping from her green grass lair. Let her come and sport and play on the lawn at close of day. The little lark goes soaring high to the bright windows of the sky, singing as if it were always spring, and fluttering on an untired wing. Oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do these gentle creatures wrong. Learning objectives. Identify rhyming words used in the poem. Develop an understanding of the importance of kindness towards animals. Recite the poem with rhythm and expression. Thinking about the text. Why does the poet ask children to let the gentle robin come for crumbs? The poet asks children to let the robin come for crumbs because the bird will repay them with a song showing gratitude for kindness. What does the poet want children to do for the timid hare? The poet wants children to let the timid hare come and play freely without causing harm or scaring it away. How does the poet convey the importance of kindness to all creatures? The poet conveys that all creatures, no matter how small, deserve kindness and that we should not do them wrong. Reference to the text. Oh, let him sing his happy song, nor do these gentle creatures wrong. Who is the poet referring to? The poet is referring to the robin and other gentle creatures. What is the message conveyed in these lines? The poet emphasizes the importance of allowing animals to live freely and happily without being harmed. Value-based question. How can we show kindness to animals in our community? Provide 3 examples. Answer. Protect the animals from harm. Feed the animals. Provide shelter to the animals. Skill-based question. Find 2 pairs of rhyming words from the poem and write them. 1. Give, live. 2. Along, song.